Hello guys, welcome to weekly recap here on gold, the pound, USD, the USDCAD, and the DXY. And quickly, I'm starting with the DXY. So earlier this week on Monday, I anticipated three things. One is to retest this region, creating a double bottom, which is 103.30 region, and continue to the upside. Or we could see price drive into this region, so 102 or 90, let's just call it 103, before continuing to the upside. That was my biggest bet, and then I finally anticipated that if price breaks here comfortably and then retest this region, so 103.36, we could have price go to the downside, and you see the last one played out to the T. So DXY being very bearish led to an upside movement here on gold, although it dropped a little bit to these regions before continuing, and I was anticipating if price could break through this region of 1970, we could retest 1985 before continuing to the downside. But my bullish sentiment was a break of 1985. But you can see gold just did more of range within these regions. And then on pound USD, my best bet was just to drive price to the downside, retesting these regions of 122.90, just a bearish movement because we came back to these serious regions of 1.2585. But DXY being very bearish, you could see how this movement went. We saw this huge move from this region to this region. That was a huge over 200 pips move here on gold, and it happened within 2 days. So basically, that was what happened on pound USD. And lastly, on USDCAD, what we anticipated was just maybe a retest of these regions and continue to the upside. Also anticipated a very good break of these regions and continue to the downside. So looks like I had a problem with my analysis in terms of drawing a very perfect support and resistance, because right here I could actually see a potential regions where I could have actually spotted a more perfect way to actually drive price to the downside from these regions here. But that being it, we had a very good week regardless, and that will be it, and I'll see you guys next week. Next week looks like we're going to be having beautiful setups because we've established the movements here. Regardless, we also retested a very critical region, so maybe I'll see you guys on Outlook for that. Make sure you enjoy your weekend. Ciao.